Assalamu alaikum, class 7, unit number 2, creating a document. Task 1, formatting text. Task 1, formatting text. The most common tasks that we do on a computer is to write text. Text is very important that a lot of programs have been developed to create and edit it. Microsoft Word is a very useful program for writing, formatting text, making tables, labels, or fun with pictures. How to open Word program? Click Start. In the search program and files text box, type Word and press enter. The program will appear on screen. Start typing. It's very easy to start typing in Microsoft Word. Keyboard is divided into two areas. You can use your hands in the area from TGB keys and to the left, and your right hand from YHN and to the right. Save, open, create new document. How to save your file, how to open your file, and how to create new document. When we are working, a lot of things can go wrong. That's why it's very important to save our work every now and then. How to save your document? On the File tab, click Save As or press Ctrl+S. On the Save As window, in the file name text box, type a name for your file and click Save. How to open a file? On the File tab, click Open or press Ctrl+O. On the Open window, locate your file, click it and then click Open. Create a new document. On the File tab, click New and then click Blank Document, click Create. Format text. Let's see how you can play with your font. To change the font of a word or phrase, select a word or phrase, for example, your name. On the Home tab in the font group, click the font you want. Your selected text will change accordingly. Select the size of your font so that your name looks bigger than the rest of the text. To make your text bold and underline it, select your name and on the Home tab, on the font group, click the bold button. Follow the same steps, but instead of bold, click the underline button. Bullets and numbering. Use bullets and numbering in order to create an attractive list. Select the text you want to convert it to a list. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the bullets button. A bullet list will be applied to your selected text. Format a paragraph. Align text, paragraph indentation, line spacing, borders and shadings. Align text. We can align on one or more paragraph to the left, right and center, or we can justify the paragraph to align a paragraph. Select the paragraph on the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click the central alignment button. Paragraph indentation. The distance of the paragraph from the left or the right margin. Select your paragraph. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the increased indent button. Line spacing. The distance between the lines or the paragraphs of the text. Select your paragraph. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the line and paragraph spacing button. Click 1.5. Borders and shadings. We can apply borders and shadings on a single word, phrase, paragraph or even an entire text or page. Apply shading to your paragraph. Add borders to your paragraph. Apply shading to your paragraph. Select your paragraph. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the small arrow next to shading button. Click a color and it will be applied in the background of the selected paragraph. To add border to your paragraph, select your paragraph. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the small arrow next to the borders button. Click outside borders.